Yes. Okay. Let me, in fact, also take that to Samshavi Shrine. Samshavi Shrine, you've seen the FIR contents. Do you believe the sections are strong enough? Do you believe an example needs to be made of this case? Also, will the culpability be more of the husband of Nikki, or will the others also face a similar kind of punishment because they were all complicit? That's what Kanchan, the main complainant, is saying.
Yes, the entire family would be put behind the bars in this matter, and especially when a 6 years old kid has made a statement over here. So yes, it's not only the husband, since you were staying in the same house, you are the parents of the boy, and if something of this sort of is happening in the other room and you are just sleeping over it, it's nothing but that you are also part of that crime that has happened in that house, because the girl was not beaten only once, she has been regularly beaten by her husband and the in-laws, as a statement made by the sister. So entire family will go behind the bars, that's for sure. And uh, and since a murder has happened over here, so yes, uh, 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 death penalty is rare, but yes, life imprisonment till death in the jail would be considered in this matter, since even otherwise also life imprisonment is said to be till the natural death. But if court wishes it, they could also specifically mention it in the judgment that remission would be granted after 20, 30, 40 years, whatever they actually feel like. But yes, everyone would be going behind the bars. But yes, I think that these sections that has been added over here are strong. The laws that are made, they all are strong. But when everyone talks about it, that earlier speaker also spoke that she has not heard any crime happening here in Noida or anywhere here in India about dowry. That's a completely false statement. Every now and then we keep on hearing as lawyers also, and I'm sure other activists and the other speaker have also heard it, that it's happening daily. And now the word dowry has changed into gifts. The word is gift. You give whatever gift you want to give. हमारी तो प्रथा है कि इन लॉज को ना गोल्ड की अंगूठी दिया जाती, ब्रदर इन लॉ, सिस्टर इन लॉ, इंटायर खानदान इज गिफ्टेड अ गोल्ड के रिंग, दैट इज डावरी. व्हाट एल्स इज डावरी? द इंटायर पूरे जितने लोग आए हैं हमारी शादी में फ्रॉम द बॉयज साइड, दे ऑल वुड बी गिवन एक 500 रुपए का है ना लिफाफा. 500 into 1000 कितना जाएगा? इट इज डाउरी. सो द टर्म हैज चेंज्ड. एवरीवन सेज कि भाई आपको जो भी देना है, whatever you want to give, you actually give it to your daughter only. Everyone has been started making this statement that we don't want anything. Whatever you will give it to your daughter. Your daughter is going to enjoy it. Your car is going to be enjoyed by your daughter. AC, everything. When everything is going to be bought by the girl, why will the girl marry there? But unfortunately, these parents are not able to understand that any beggar who asks you in the name of gift or someone, a beggar will always be a beggar. They would not change. That is what their mindset is. Bheek mangte raho. So for them, uh, starting from an AC to a car to a diamond ring, having a good party, and all the gifts that you have to give the in-laws, everything comes in under the domain of dowry. So when a matter comes up, let me tell you, at today's time, out of 100 marriages, at least 98 marriages have dowry in them. If someone says that no dowry case is actually coming up, that is a completely false statement. That person is totally in her mind, and she is not looking into the facts, not going through the complete real story what is happening in the world. It is a major problem, and people are not ready to change. And it's not only about the education, that someone is educated, so things would change. No, the mindset is not changing, because we have been seeing that even if you are a CEO of a company, but still the girl is gifting in the name of a gift, gifting a car, gifting a bungalow or something, or that everything is dowry. So education doesn't change. So it is the mindset that has to change, starting from the family. The moment I am a marriage proposal comes up, The moment a marriage proposal comes up and someone says something, no, simply say no, we don't need to get married in this family. If someone wants to get married,
Okay.
simple, small,
No,
a small
that's an
wedding.
important point you've made there.